Installing a bike rack on a sedan car is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your cycling adventures. To begin, choose a rack that is compatible with sedans and can safely support your bikes. Locate the mounting points on your vehicle, typically found on the trunk or roof, and clean the area thoroughly. Attach the rack according to the manufacturer's instructions, ensuring a secure fit. Double-check that the rack is properly aligned and tightened. Once installed, test the stability by gently shaking the rack and ensure it doesn't move excessively. Now you're ready to hit the road, with your bike safely secured and ready for exciting cycling expeditions. Number 1. Allen Sports. Installing the Allen Sports Premium Locking 4-Bike Rack on a sedan is a relatively simple process that provides secure transportation for multiple bikes. Begin by identifying the ideal location on your vehicle, such as the trunk or rear hatch. Clean the area thoroughly to ensure a solid attachment. Next, position the rack over the desired spot and tighten the straps or bolts, following the manufacturer's instructions. Verify that the rack is stable and securely fastened. The Allen Sports Premium Locking 4-Bike Rack features a locking mechanism to deter theft, so don't forget to secure the bikes and activate the lock. Now you can embark on cycling adventures with confidence, knowing that your bikes are safely and conveniently transported. Number 2. The Saris Bones 3-Bike Rack on a sedan is a breeze, providing a secure and efficient way to transport bicycles. Begin by adjusting the rack's arms and legs to fit the contours of the sedan's trunk. Position the top hooks on the trunk's edge and secure them firmly, ensuring a snug fit. Then, attach the lower straps to the lower section of the trunk, ensuring they are tightly fastened. Double-check the stability of the rack and make any necessary adjustments. With its sturdy construction and user-friendly design, the Saris Bones 3-Bike Rack offers a hassle-free installation process for sedan owners, allowing for worry-free bike transportation. Number 3. Quat NV 2.0 Bike Rack on a sedan car is simple and efficient, allowing you to transport your bikes with ease. Firstly, ensure that your sedan has a compatible hitch receiver, typically a 2-inch size. Align the rack with the hitch and insert it, securing it in place with the hitch pin. Then, tighten the hitch bolt to eliminate any potential movement. Extend the rack's arms and adjust them to accommodate your bikes, ensuring they are evenly spaced and stable. Finally, secure the bikes in place using the provided straps or locks. With the Quat NV 2.0 Bike Rack properly installed, you're all set for enjoyable cycling adventures. Number 4. KAC Bike Rack on a sedan car is a straightforward process that allows for convenient bike transportation. Begin by checking if your sedan has a hitch receiver compatible with the KAC Bike Rack. Align the rack with the hitch and insert it, securing it with the hitch pin. Tighten the hitch bolt to ensure a stable connection. Adjust the rack's arms to accommodate your bikes, making sure they are evenly spaced and secure. Use the provided straps or locks to firmly fasten your bikes in place. Double-check all connections and ensure a tight fit. Once installed, you're ready to hit the road and enjoy your cycling adventures with the KAC Bike Rack. The Yakima Hold-Up 2 Bike Rack is the perfect addition for sedan car owners seeking a convenient and reliable solution for transporting bicycles. This easy-to-install rack showcases a sleek and sturdy design, capable of securely carrying 2 bikes during your outdoor adventures. With its adjustable frame clamps and padded hooks, it ensures a snug fit for various bike sizes and styles. The integrated strong-arm technology provides stability and minimizes bike-to-bike contact, preventing any potential damage. Engineered with a user-friendly tilt mechanism, accessing your car's trunk or hatch is a breeze. The Yakima Hold-Up 2 Bike Rack offers both style and functionality, making it an excellent choice for sedan car owners looking to hit the road with their bikes securely in tow. Installing a bike rack on a sedan car is a relatively simple process that can greatly enhance your ability to transport bicycles. Thank you for watching this video. By selecting a compatible rack, properly attaching it to the mounting points, and ensuring a secure fit, you can have peace of mind knowing that your bikes will be safely transported. Check out product link in the description. Following the manufacturer's instructions and double-checking the stability of the rack are crucial steps to guarantee a successful installation. With a properly installed bike rack, you can enjoy convenient and hassle-free transportation of your bicycles, allowing you to explore new trails and enjoy the freedom of cycling adventures. Any queries about product, comment please. I will reply quickly. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more information about the bike rack.